If you think making money with AI is just hype, think again. Because right now, people are using AI to build real income streams, even as beginners. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back. On this channel, I break down simple ways to make money online, tech trends, and side hustles that actually work. Let's get started. First up, AI content writing. Businesses always need blog posts, emails, and social media content. With AI, you can create content quickly, then edit it to sound natural and high quality. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, charge per article, or even monthly packages. And beginners are already making anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per month doing this. Second, AI video creation. You don't need a camera or editing skills anymore. AI tools can generate full videos with voiceovers, subtitles, and visuals automatically. You can create YouTube automation channels, short-form content, or even sell videos to clients. This space is growing fast, and people are scaling to thousands per month. Number 3, print on demand with AI art. You don't need to be a designer. AI can generate unique artwork in seconds. You can upload these designs to online stores and sell products like t-shirts, phone cases, and posters. Once it's uploaded, it can turn into passive income. Fourth, AI chatbot services. Small businesses want automation, but most don't know how to set it up. You can build simple chatbots for websites or messaging apps using no-code. Offer customer support bots, lead generation, or FAQ automation, and charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per client. Number 5, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. Job seekers are constantly trying to stand out. You can use AI to rewrite resumes, improve LinkedIn profiles, and generate cover letters. Quick, simple work, and you can charge $20 to $100 per client. So those are 5 AI side hustles that are actually working right now. The key is simple. Don't just use AI. Use it to solve real problems. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which one you're going to try first. See you in the next video.